Going to university, going to college often has this fear attached with it. One of the things that we've talked quite a bit about during this process is how do we help individuals who are either coming to college for the first time or returning to college after a not so positive experience. How do they really come back in with confidence and succeed in a way that really helps continue to build that confidence?
I think higher education has been an evolution. There's still that vision of what it's supposed to be. So the more that we can start to open it up a little bit more and think about what it could be, I think is why this is such an important conversation.
Thinking about ways to throw open the doors of access within universities and colleges across the country is just critical at this time. We know we have over 40 million adults with some college and no degree, many of whom may have had fits and starts in their education journey. And we need to think about ways to help welcome them back into the fold to finish and accomplish what they started. And then also for adults that maybe haven't started their journey in post-secondary higher education to help break down some of the potential barriers or the areas where they might not have the confidence yet. We need to help provide scaffolded opportunities for them to build that confidence.
Helping those kind of reach their full potential. Right now we're reaching a small segment of the population that fits the model. We want to expand that so that we're reaching more individuals, getting them ready for what they want to do, not what we 50 years ago, 100 years structured the education to tell them to do.
There are populations of students that we're not serving well with our current structure. So as we think about the groups of students that are interested in returning to school, or maybe need a little bit of a nudge to go back to school, that as they're thinking about how do I do that, there are some traditional pathways that make sense for a lot of our population, and then there are some students that that actually doesn't fit for me. So how am I going to do that? How am I going to access education? So being able to talk through what is that population, how do we serve them well, how do I identify the different types of students in that population as well. It's not a one size fits all, so we have to be creative about what those solutions might look like.
I think there are at least two different categories. One, so our processes at our institutions are set up for learners who come in as traditional aged full-time residential learners. And so just really adapting the mindset and processes of our institution to be able to be flexible and to serve adult learners. And then secondly, adult learners do require different types of supports. And so helping them understand and working with them to really integrate their schoolwork along with their jobs, their careers, their family life, their child or elder care duties, and really being able to come alongside them and provide that support to help them succeed in the classroom.